Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to align a golf grip. Start with the club face square to your target. Place your lead hand on the grip first, ensuring the club rests in your fingers, not your palm. The V formed by your thumb and forefinger should point towards your trail shoulder. This foundational step sets up your entire swing for success. For your lead hand, the grip should sit diagonally from the base of your index finger to the heel pad. You should see 2 to 3 knuckles when looking down. Your lead thumb should rest slightly to the right of the center line of the grip, creating a small V pointing towards your trail shoulder. Now, bring your trail hand to the club. Position it directly below your lead hand, ensuring the lifeline of your trail hand covers your lead thumb. You can choose an interlocking or overlapping grip for your pinky and index fingers. This connection creates a unified unit, promoting better control and power. Before swinging, confirm that both VS, formed by your thumbs and forefingers, point towards your trail shoulder. Your grip pressure should be light but firm, like holding a tube of toothpaste without squeezing it out. Practice this new alignment to build muscle memory and achieve more consistent, powerful shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.